Welcome to Soy Stock Traders. We teach you more than 4 strategies. All strategies are exclusively for intraday trading. If you are utter beginner, you too don't have to worry. We will teach you from basics to core. As per client wish, today I planned of recording a video in penny stock. Okay, I started a plan of recording in a penny stock. So I got some levels at 29.15, 29.15 in RPOWER. Okay, that is my buy order. And it is just only 15 paisa risk. Okay, so I started recording this video. So 29.15 is my entry order, and I'm just taking 500 rupees risk today. So because the market seems like a range bound, so I'm just taking 500 rupees as a risk. So 3000 quantity, and stop loss is nearly 15 paisa. So initially I will put target for 2 rupees, and again later I will modify. Okay, yeah, my order is triggered. Okay, it is in position now. So the total risk for this trade is just 500 rupees, and I am expecting target of nearly 1:4. Okay, that means I am expecting the target is 2000 rupees from this trade. So risk is just 500 rupees, so I will probably getting, if I get 1:4 risk reward, I may get 2000 rupees. That's the thing. In a stock market, the entire game is played with the risk reward. Okay, unless you don't know to manage this risk, you are not going to sustain in the market. So we have to be aware of all our risks and all our entries and all our risk taking methodology. See, some strategies will perform well in the trendy market and some will perform well in the range bound market, but our strategies should perform in every market, or else we should follow different types of strategies. Okay, or else we are not going to sustain in the market, because in the market totally about 60% of the time it is going to be in a range bound, only 40% of the time it is going to be in trendy. So we must not lose all our money which we have gained in the trendy market in the consolidation market. So we must be aware in trading those days. Okay, so it is moving very slowly. And one more thing, in overall in the stock market, none of the strategy is going to give 100% or 95% accuracy. Okay, only we can expect 70% accuracy. That is also we should follow some probability based setup. For example, if you are doing 5 trades a week, for probability base, if 3 SLs hit, then your winning probability may be only 2, right? Now if you are doing 5 trades a week, there are 3 possibilities of 3 trades to hit SL, and only you are going to 2 trades you are making profit. So for each trades you are taking 2000 rupees risk. So what it will happen, in 3 trades you are going to lose 6000 rupees, right? So if there are 2 trades, remaining 2 trades which is going to be successful trades, if it gives as per a 1:3 risk reward, for each trade you are going to get 6000 rupees. What you will get in 2 trades, you will get 12,000 rupees, right? So 6000 losses is reduced and 6000 you will be in a profit. That is the methodology you should adopt in your trading, or else you are not going to sustain in the market. So overall in a week you are going to gain profit of 6000 rupees. Even though you are made a loss, you will be in a profit. So it is nearing to my target. Just I will modify my target into 30.20. Okay, see, just modify. So that's the thing, it is moving very slowly, but it will reach my target. No resistance are there, so surely it is going to reach my target. Yeah, we are going to teach more than 4 strategies I have told. So in each strategies are preferred for different types of market. Some strategies are we can use for morning trades to catch the quick spikes, and some it is useful for the range bound markets. So after consolidation, after breakout, we are going to take a trade. So there are different types of strategies for trading. Okay, so we will teach you everything. So you too don't have to worry in all types of stocks. See, this is just 30 rupees stock. Okay, not going to trade in this. Professionals won't trade like in such a type of stocks in intraday. They will handle it as a position, but just as per client wish, I am trading this. Okay. So it is already given 1:1 risk reward. Yeah, it is cycling. See the move, guys. This is just 29-30 rupees stock. It is giving such a profit. So, but to trade in this type of stocks, we need some practice. Okay, without knowing anything else, you don't trade. It will give profit as well as, and it will give a big losses also. So be aware of it. Is moving very slowly. So this type of stocks will move just 5 paisa, 10 paisa above and below. So however, we are going to achieve our target. So no issues on. We have to just be patient. And one more thing, in entire trading, 97% of the time, our emotional decides the everything. Okay, and 2% balance is depend upon money management, and 1% only depend upon our strategies. So whatever the decision or emotional decision you are going to take, it decides your profit or losses. Okay, so don't take any emotional decisions in trading. Be calm, and with your money management and risk reward methodology, stick with your strategy. It is going to give you a profit. So all our setups are such a designs in such a setup. So everything is completely based upon money management and risk reward. So you too don't have to worry. Okay, once you get training from us, you will know all the basics of money management and risk reward. We always focus on money management and risk reward and probability. Okay, so if you want training, the link is in the description, and my WhatsApp number is also in the description. You just go through and ping me. Okay. It is taking longer time. One thing I can do, again 50 paise more. I will pause this video and I will resume later. Okay, so if it is nearing to my target, I will resume, and meanwhile if there is any entry, I will add it also. Yeah, meanwhile I got some entry in RELINFRA also. I had entered into an order in RELINFRA also, and it is nearly 1830 rupees. It is in an also position, and RPOWER is also nearing to my target. Okay, so for RELINFRA also, just I took 500 rupees risk, and it is nearly going to achieve my 1:4 risk reward ratio. That is, it is going to achieve 2000 rupees risk. Okay. Okay, I think RPOWER is nearing to my target, but it is not hitting 30.10. Yeah, it near to my target. Yeah, my order got completed in RPOWER. My target got achieved, and it just nearly booked 1950 rupees. Okay, and balance in RELINFRA, it is in position. I'm expecting 2000 rupees from RELINFRA also. Okay, so this is the how you should have to do trade for taking 500 rupees risk. See the reward, guys. So so now you can take a risk for 1000 rupees hereafter. So you are now holding if RELINFRA also end in profit, so total all with the risk of 1000 rupees, yeah, that also target achieved. Okay, So for 4000 rupees, just I took 1000 rupees risk and I earned 4000 rupees. Okay, so now I can withstand more than 2 or 3 SLs, right? So this is how your short setup should be. Thank you guys, we will meet you in the next video. Stay tuned, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot.